So if you sell a minimum of 100 of this product in a month, you're going to be making a whopping $13,628. That is how much you're going to be making every single month without spending $1 of your own. Now, I know you must have heard about affiliate marketing and I know you must have heard about dropshipping, but today I'm going to be simplifying things and I'm going to be opening your eyes to share secrets that I've been using to make money online through this method, and it's going to blow your mind, trust me. So this business method can be classified as dropshipping or e-commerce business. If you want to succeed and start making a lot of money from e-commerce or dropshipping, you have to select a product that can appeal to a lot of people all around the world. And that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. I'm going to be opening your eyes to a secret that I've been using to cash out. So please pay attention and watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part. So first thing first, to get the right product for this business model, you have to first analyze the market and understand where the market is going, what the people are searching for and all that. And that is how I was able to find this product. And it's no other than podcast products. Now, everybody, almost everybody is tilting towards podcasts, right? And there's one thing they all have in common. They use a microphone, right? They use a microphone for their podcasting. And for podcasts, quality microphone is one of the most important things you need to acquire, which is what most people actually make budget for. And again, these podcasters have another thing in common, which is the type of microphone that they use. Now, if you go and check the podcasters that you know right now, you will notice that most of them, if not all of them, are using the same microphone. That is Shure SM7B, right? Now, let me quickly show you how much that is cost. And I'm going to now show you how I was able to turn that into a big business that generates me over $10,000 every single month. I'll walk you step by step on how to do this. Let me show you. So if you come over to Amazon.com and search for SM7B, so now this is Amazon's choice. And this is the cheapest, that is $399. That is how much it's being sold. And this is excluding shipping, right? $399, and then here you can see $589, and if you scroll down you see a whole lot more at different prices, right? And now for Nigerians, if you come over to Jumia.com and type in the same thing, SM7B, so here you can see that in Nigeria it's sold at different price points. So almost all the podcasters use this microphone, and for new podcasters that want to come on board, they get recommendation from the already existing podcasters and they get recommendation for the same microphone. And I guess that's why almost everyone is using the microphone, right? It's amazing how cheap you can get this microphone and sell it for over 200% profit. And now let me show you where you can get this at the cheapest rate that is going to blow your mind. So all you have to do is to just come over to your browser and type in 1688.com like so. It's actually a Chinese website, so everything is in Chinese. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on this translation option, which is English, translate to English, and it's going to translate the whole website to English. So now that it has been translated, let's go ahead and search for SM7B. So we'll come over to this search box here and search for SM7B and hit on enter. So here you can see SM7B at different price points. So what you're going to do is to select the one that best fits you. I'm going to be showing you an alternative platform that you can buy this microphone from if you don't want to go through the hassle of 1688. But if you want to succeed in 1688 in buying original product and something that is going to give you exactly what you need, make sure that you look out for at least 50% repurchase rate. What the repurchase rate means is that if 10 people buy the product, the number of people that come back and buy the same product signifies that they were satisfied, and that is why they came back to buy it. So if 10 people buy a product and only 2 people came back to buy another one, that means the product should be not so good. But if at least 50% came back to buy the same product, then that product is definitely fine. Maybe the remaining 50% just bought it for personal use, but if I buy a product and it's good and I want to resell the product, because first, before I drop ship or sell any product, I buy it first. Like there's this one that I bought. Let me quickly show you. This is a grill, right? Now, this is a grill. You can see, I don't know if the camera can focus on it. So this is another product that I want to start drop shipping, but first I had to buy it to make sure that it is what they say it is. But guess what? As I bought it, I found out that it's actually smaller than a normal human teeth. Imagine when I start selling this without testing it out. A lot of people will not come back, and a lot of people are going to give me bad reviews because it will be useless to them. So that is why it's very essential that before you buy a product, you must first test the market. If you don't have the money to buy the product and test it just like I have done, you can go ahead and use the repurchase rate, because when it's up to 50% repurchase rate, that means half of the people that bought the product came back to buy the product again, which means they were satisfied by the product and they came back to buy again and again and again. You understand what that means, right? So now we have gotten that out of the way. So here you're going to be looking out for repurchase rate of 50% minimum, right? So here you can see this one repurchase rate is 44%. This one doesn't have any repurchase rate, so that means nobody had bought the product yet. So here you can see 25% repurchase rate, and here you can see 50% repurchase rate. I think I'm going to go with this one that is 580 yuan and it's 50% repurchase rate. So we're going to click on it and look at the options that they have. So here you can see that it's already indicated that it's up for drop shipping. Now the minimum order is 2 sets and it's selling for 580 yuan each, right? And then if you're buying from 20 sets upwards, you're going to get it at 550 yuan, okay? So now let's convert this to USD to know how much it is. So 580, we're going to go over to our web browser and do 580 yuan to USD. And here 580 yuan to USD is $81.36. $81.36, that's how much is being sold on 1688. And then if we come over to Amazon.com, you can see the price here is $399. So if you use your calculator now, let's do a quick math. 399 minus $81.36, right? And you're going to have a profit of $317 going by Amazon's price. This is so incredible. So you're making a profit of $317. But before you start dancing, I want you to understand that we have not added the shipping costs. So let's say it cost us $50 to ship it anywhere in the world. Let's minus $50 from this, our profit. Minus $50 is equal to $267.64. Guys, come on. So let's say you want to sell this super fast. You don't want to compete with anybody on Amazon. So let's say the total price that we're selling the product is $267.67, just so we can make a lot of sales and have a lot of turnover, because people are going to buy from us faster because it's cheaper, right? So let's assume that the original price that we're selling the product is $267.64. So we're going to be minusing the price of the product, which is $81.36, right? And we're going to have $186.28 profit, right? And then if we minus shipping, which is going to cost us $50, that is $136.28. A whole $136.28. So if you sell like 100 units of this product in a month, 100 units, just 100 units, okay? All over the world, not just your state, not just your community, all over the world. So if you sell just 100 of this product in a month, you're going to be making $13,628. So before I give you ideas on where and how to sell this product, let me quickly show you the alternative to 1688, just in case you don't want to go through the hassle of 1688. You want someone that is speaking English, you want to contact an English supplier and have them do everything for you, then just come over to your browser again and go over to aliexpress.com. So the platform you already know, aliexpress.com. If you come over here, you type in SM7B and you click on send. So now that we have searched the product, you can see a lot of options here, okay? Remember that we got it for $81.36 on 1688, but on AliExpress, you can see it at different prices, right? On AliExpress, there's something that still stands out. Now, some people will give you cheaper and charge you higher shipping prices. You have to take note of that. You also have to take note of people that don't have reviews, because AliExpress is English, so you should be banking on the reviews. If the reviews is good, it's good, right? If the reviews is good, it's good. If it's bad, that means the product is bad. And then if it doesn't have review, you don't want to be the first person to actually give the review, except it's something that you're using for yourself. But if you intend selling it, you make sure that you sell something that is of high quality, that is going to serve whoever that is going to buy it, because it will in turn bring back more customers for you. You understand what I mean, right? So what we're going to do is to search for the right seller. And the way we'll search for that is somebody that can offer you free shipping at a lower cost, or a lower cost at a very reasonable shipping price with a lot of reviews. Now here you can see that, there's a couple of products here that actually have reviews, but if you come to the first product here, you can see that this one is sold at $98.64 and it's free shipping. So you do not have to worry about shipping on 1688. Remember that we added $50 for shipping on 1688, which just summed it up to 100 and something, right? But on AliExpress, we are getting it for $98.64. AliExpress is giving you the opportunity to buy one at a cheaper rate. It's cheaper on AliExpress because when you add the shipping for 1688, everything is 100 and something dollars. And you don't want that. You want it at the cheapest price ever. So let's go ahead and click on this product and actually analyze it and see how it looks. So you can see it has 48 reviews and he has sold 216 products, okay? And then his review score is 4. If you want to buy quality products on AliExpress, make sure you don't buy anything below 4.5 review rates. Don't buy anything below 4.5, or else you're going to be buying junk, right? So let's click on the 48 reviews and see what people are saying from all over the world. Here are the reviews. You can see someone from Ghana received in good condition but have not tested, blah blah blah. Okay, this person has not tested it but he has received it, and then he was able to put in the picture of the product that he received, and it's exactly the SM7B that we know. Can you imagine that, right? So this one bought from Brazil, and as you can see, the microphone is good, a little heavy. The audio is better than I expected. Amazing, amazing. All right, so let's look for another one, okay? Exactly here is saying exactly the original. There is no way to differentiate, very equal, excellent. So if you want to do dropshipping, all you have to do is to scroll down to this point and click on contact. Then you're going to contact the seller and tell them what you want, that you want to do dropshipping, the name of your business and everything. So whenever you place an order, they are going to use your customer's information, your customer's name, customer's phone numbers, customer's address. They are going to use those information and do the shipping, and your customer will receive it in your name. They will think that it's coming from you and not from AliExpress, and then that's how you're going to be making a lot of money. And then selling this is very easy because it's a hot product. A lot of people are searching for the product, so you don't even need to do much. All you have to do is to sign up on platforms like Amazon, eBay, Jumia, Konga, Gigi, Facebook Marketplace, depending on your country and the marketplace that work in your country. So just use whatever platform that is working in your country, list the product, but make sure that you set your pricing to be way below whatever the market price is on that particular platform. So if they're selling it for $300, $400, make sure that you sell your own way below, because we all know that you're getting it for less than $100. And when they buy it and they love the product, they are going to come back again and they're going to refer people to you. And then you're going to be making a lot of sales, and then the turnover. And then before the end of the year, if you multiply the whole thing, you should be making 7 figures just reselling this product without having to touch it yourself. But if you have the cash to stock up, you can go ahead and stock up yourself and then be delivering it by yourself. But if not, you can just go ahead and do the drop shipping. It works like magic. Just speak to the seller and have an agreement with them. Tell them that you're going to be drop shipping, and then you're good to go. And again, another amazing way to sell this product is by selling on social media. You can sell on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And then if you have a little money, you can pay for Facebook advertising, Instagram, Twitter advertising, and then you have your product out there, and a lot of people are going to come knocking on your door and ask you to please take their money. And also you can create a landing page using Canva website builder, and then direct all your traffic from your social media accounts, your paid advertising and everything, direct them straight to the website, and then your customers, your prospective customers, are going to make purchase from your Canva website, and there they can see other products that you have in store. I'm talking about Canva websites. If you want to learn how you can design your own websites using your mobile phone without paying for hosting, then I recommend that you go watch this playlist to understand how you can use Canva website builder to your advantage and build amazing websites without any hosting. Go ahead and watch it now and thank me later.